Welcome to a moment of quiet reflection. This time, we are trying something a little different from our regular videos. Instead of our usual format, we are offering you a contemplative, poetic escape, a chance to slow down and simply soak in the beauty of the moment. In this video, we invite you to drift through the serene landscapes of Quebec's Papineau Regional County Municipality, a place where nature whispers its poetry. As the drone glides low over a windy riverbed on a cold, foggy October morning, sunlight breaks gently through the mist, filling the scene with soft, golden light and calm shadows. With a soft embrace of music in the background, let this dreamy journey transport you to a world untouched by time, where the trees stand as guardians and river flows as if carrying stories from the past. Take a moment to simply be.
Oh, I used to walk like the world was mine, with dreams bright as stars, eyes open wide. Didn't think twice, just let the days fly. But now I feel each one slipping by. Every sunrise, every tear, a price we pay just to be here. I used to laugh, I used to fight. Now I just hold on to the light. Time, you got no mercy, no grace for the soul, taking my strength piece by piece, making me old. You move like a river, so cold and unkind, leaving me stranded with memories behind. Every sunrise, every tear, a price we pay just to be here. I used to laugh, I used to fight. Now I just hold on to the light. But the clock doesn't care, it keeps ticking on, trading our yesterdays for days that are gone. Oh, I'd turn it all back if I just had a way to keep every moment, to freeze every day. Every sunrise, every tear, a price we pay just to be here. I used to laugh, I used to fight. Now I just hold on to the light. I sit in the quiet, hear the wind sigh, thinking of dreams that have drifted by. I trade every second left on the clock to hold what I lost, to turn back the lock. Every sunrise, every tear,